Good morning, everybody. I'm here to share with you guys what is new on Savings Star. Now, I don't like Savings Star. Savings Star is probably my least favorite apps to get money back. I do like it how you can connect your card to CVS and you guys can get, you know, you don't have to submit your receipts. That's the only thing I like, but I hate how they don't hardly have any great deals and just a bunch of stuff. But here we got all, $1 off all. Got Florida Emergency. Now some of these aren't connected to Checkout 51. So if you guys add it to your account on this, they'll disappear on Checkout 51. I usually like doing Checkout 51 because they reset. These guys never reset. But here we got some Act, mouthwash, Aspirin Cream, Gold Bond, boxed wine, boxed wine, boxed wine. Wow. A lot of boxed wine. Sorry, my kids in the background. Here we got some Big Chewy Nerds candy. Now, I'm not adding a lot of this stuff because they may or may not have it on Checkout 51, so. And this stuff's not, like, hot. I think the all is the only one that's, like, super hot that you guys want to add to your account because it will go away right away. But that seems about it. I hope you guys enjoy these kind of videos, and I will see you guys all later. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.